Good morning from the most beautiful day at Thredbo. I'm joined with Emily and her brother Michael, and today I'm skiing on the Tracer 98, the new one. Not my first time on this ski. I skied this a couple weeks ago. Yeah, we know about the Tracer series, but these Tracer 98s are actually 20% lighter than the original, which I kind of like. And already after a couple of runs, I feel like these are resembling more of a cross between the Kufo and a TST, the best ski that they used to make, but don't make anymore. Anyway,
we got super lucky with some fresh snow on both of the days that I was skiing, and I found that these really just charged through soft stuff and went really well on hardpack groomers as well. They held an edge really nicely and could transition from edge to edge pretty fast as well. I think they're super underrated and not enough people are skiing on them because they're the perfect all-mountain ski for Australia. Not stiff, not too soft, and really stable, super versatile.
I can definitely feel the difference between the 180 and the 172, and being 175 tall, I think the 172 is definitely better for my height. It's still not bad, but I definitely reckon the 172 is better for me.
Here I was doing some short turns and I could really feel the control that I had over the ski. It was super stable and just really easy to turn. I think this ski would be perfect for almost anyone. You wouldn't have to be super advanced for this kind of ski. It'll almost make it a bit easier to kind of cross over between a performance ski to an all-mountain on something like the Tracer 98.